Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here again with my student. She's about to test as soon as the DMV opens, so that's like within an hour or so. We're running through the driving test a couple of more times, but I wanted to make a video primarily to show you guys the crowd that is at the DMV. This crowd is literally wrapped around the building, as you will see. Anyway, before I get into that, I'm going to ask you guys again to please subscribe to my other YouTube channels. That would be Exotic Car Culture, Sequence Sound. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, then I'm asking you please to do so. And remember, you can do the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes on the website. That is accdriverseducation.com. And the third-party driving test is also available. If you want to book the third-party driving test through me, just call me at the 954-588-8075 number. That is 954-588-8075, and I'll put all of this information in the beginning of this video. Alright, let's get into the video. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
You put the car in park, you pull up the emergency brake, and you turn the car off.
Okay, cool. Now go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, straighten it. Alright, so they're going to ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press the brake. They're checking to make sure your brake lights, your turn signal lights, your horns are working. When they tell you to turn the wheel all the way to the left or right, they're checking the tires. If the tires are not good, if the lights are not working, they will not allow you to use that car. Alright, so now we're going to reverse and we're going to go to the left. And there is a car behind us. You're backing out, you're looking both ways as you back out of here. As soon as your mirror is past the end of the line, you're turning. Okay, we're gonna go to the stop sign and make a left turn. Yeah, the DMV line has been getting longer. You would expect it to, after all these years, get a little bit shorter. Instead, it's getting longer. I've never seen it this long, actually. I'll show you guys in a minute. Hence the reason the third-party driving test exists. Because if you have to come and wait on a line like this, and then when you're trying to make an appointment, you're looking at 2 months, it makes sense that third-party driving test is a thing. See, this is the line right here. The line is literally wrapped around. I'll show you how much is wrapped around. This is the line to get into the DMV. Look at this. And this goes all the way down there, and the front of the building. This is impossible. Stop here and then speed up to 20 and then let a sudden stop. Stop. Okay, straight back. Okay, that's good enough. I go forward, make the left turn at the end. Park in between the cones. reverse and go to the left so we can do the 3-point turn. Alright, 3-point turn. So you see, you notice you signal left twice. You go left twice, you signal left twice. If you don't signal, you will lose 4 points. Look at that. And every time they tell you to turn, make sure you use your turn signal. Otherwise, you will be getting 4 negative points for each time. Again, look at this line. Just trying to give you guys an idea of how ridiculous this line is. It goes all the way down there, all the way here, and then all the way in the front of the building. It goes all the way down to the front of the front door. And all of these people parking here, they're gonna tell them all to move in a second. No, we have nowhere to park. We'll stop here because there's nowhere to park. Alright, put it in park for a second. So, how do you think you did?
Good.
100%. Yeah. Yeah, she's gonna pass with 100. I'll bet money on that. Anyway, again, I'm gonna ask you guys to please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, subscribe to my other channels. Move up a little bit. That would be ACC Driving School. This is this channel, Exotic Car Culture, or Sequence Sound. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.